Hello everyone, my name is Rehanel Getelanda and today we'll be presenting this research on factor influencing the continuing intention to use water transportation application. So we'll see how digital transformation is changing how the transportation is work, especially in Indonesia maritime sector. There are some applications like Ferry Z, Heli Mobile, Jacket Boat. It now make it easy to book ticket without going to the port first. But what we want to explore in this research is not just do people use it, but rather what makes people keep using it. That's what the real success of digital transformation is. So, for answer those question, we use UTOT model in this research, a popular framework for studying technology adoption, but we made some adjustment to better fit for our context. So instead of just focusing on the people intention to try the app, we focus on the continuing intention. And the second, we also add voluntary of use since the using of the app is optional in some case. Then we brought system quality like how stable and responsive the apps. Lastly, we include a frequency of use to see if the usage habit affect how people perceive the app. And these are uh, the model that we use. And for the methodology, we conduct survey using 5-point Likert scale. We gather 158 response with 148 valid entries. We collect both online and directly at Merkbakahuni port. Then we analyze data using Smart PLS 4 with PLSM approach. With the step is measurement model, structural model test, hypothesis testing. So the first one is respondent analysis. As we can see, the majority is 88% were male, and the most were between 18 and 35 years old. More than half had high school or vocational education. This gives us the picture of the typical user. The next one is validity and reliability test. It is to test that the data was valid and reliable, and it was all the value that meet the statistical threshold, as we can see. And this model also shown the strong predictive power with we can see the R value is 0.769 for the continuing intention. And then let's go to the interesting part, the hypothesis test. Oh, this is to answer the what actually influence people to keep using the apps. We can see for this result, the first is effort expectancy. If the app is easy to use, people are more likely to stick with it. From the table, we can see it is significant. And the second is voluntary of use. So if the people feel they are using the app by the choice, they more committed. And the third is the most significant is system quality. So the stable, fast, reliable app had the strongest influence to continue attention of the user. And not surprisingly, the continued intention itself lead to actual use. One interesting twist is how the moderator frequency of use is played a role. For frequent user, performance mattered more, but easy of use mattered less. It is because they already know to use the app, because they habit or the familiarity to use the app. So what we can take away from this result? Well, if we want to user to keep the water transportation app, the system has to work well. It has to be reliable, quick, and user-friendly. From the provider, they can do such thing like load testing or stress testing. It should be done regularly to make sure the app is performed during busy time. Like in Indonesia, there are many holiday and onboarding feature like short tutorial, clear step, and how to user confident. Most importantly, give us the user freedom to choose when the people is control their wallet in return. And that is all for this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.